You don't have to call yourself Filipino Chinese. You can just say you're Chinese. Okay, because any sort of identification or separation, you're already identifying yourself as uh, a product of Spain. Okay, right? Same with now. Here's the difficult part: the ones who are under the Tamil rule of migrants here uh, from who are ruled by the Rahas. Uh, that's more difficult. These the people like us have been so dispersed and far removed from the original cultural heritage, that we have no idea already who's who, because it's hard to identify between the Hindu bloodline and the Spanish bloodline, because they're already so interwoven at this point. Okay, but the what I got from the divine is that there are artifacts that prove that the Sanatang Dharma was the original culture of the Visayans, the Visayan region. The Luzon region is majority are Chinese, because coming from the China and Taiwan island. So, but they all came here to trade. Okay, the indigenous ones. Okay, the Muslims came from Indonesia. So that part, and Muslim trade. So basically, those are the people of these islands. When you call yourselves Filipino, that is acknowledging that you are a product of Spain. As we call ourselves living in the Philippines, we still acknowledge that we are the colony of Spain. Even though we are under the colonial control of the United States, and still influenced by Europe, because our justice system is linked to Europe. What happened to Duterte, our former President Duterte, is just evidence